Good evening, friend. Myself is Arun Kumar Singh. Today I want to talk over an important topics, that is feeling of fear of failures. It is the most common feelings which arises in mind of most of us. Feeling of fear of failures is one of the most common enemy which always create the strong resistance in the way of producing the positive thoughts, positive energy in our life. This feeling of fear of failures are working almost in all walk of life, like fears of failure in examination, fear of falling ill, fear of attack of viruses, fear of not producing good and attractive argument before the judge, fear of loss of cases, fear of not success in examination, fear of failing in business, many more different kinds of fear of failures in our mind oftenly arises. That is why in most of the cases we also make it true. In other words, we can say that due to this fear of failures, we almost remain failures in our every efforts. So the feeling of failures always getting stronger and stronger in our life. So this one is the important, this is needful, how this fear of failures can be removed and what is the reason, what is the way through which it arises in our mind. First thing, if you look back, if you go deeper and deeper, we find that the first and most effective reason due to which it arises in our mind is lack of self-confidence. Most among us are having the lack of self-confidence. They are not having the confidence for anything. There are many reasons behind it. First reason is dependency on other. We depend on other for our most of the works. We don't want to do our work myself. We leave our work on other self. Second thing, we don't want to do our work in proper channel. We always follow the shortcut and improper channel to supply our work. As for example, if we want to pay the electricity bill, a school and college fee, if we are standing on the queue, we want to do our work first. So we follow the improper channel. Sometimes we begin to flatter the person who is sitting on the counter. We also offer them some bribe and some illegal path, shortcut path. We want to fulfill our work. This makes our self-confidence lose. We are not having faith in God, nature. We are not having of spending some time with old age people, hearing the voice of small children, not having the habit of playing the outdoor game, not habit of sharing our views to others. These types of habit always make our self-confidence weaker and weaker. So first and most important thing which make our self-confidence higher and higher, to give up the habit of dependency on other. We must not depend on other for our any kinds of work. We should do all our work myself. If it is necessary, then we can manage to do our work by the others. We must not be proud of money power and manpower. We should also spend some time with old age people. We should keep faith in God and all the product of God, all the creation of God. We should also spend some time to read the motivational book, motivational speech, as well as watch TV news. We should be updated with all the important information, news which happen all around us. We should also spend some time in praying the God either morning and evening. We should fix our routine for everything. We must not ignore any kind of work. This habit gradually increase the self-confidence. If we able to develop our self-confidence, then definitely the negative energy which keeps a major space of our mind and in our life definitely gradually can be going out from our mind or from our life. This is most necessary and needful for all of us. We all are belonging to the different profession, and all the different profession have the different kinds of work. There is a great need of self-confidence. Our self-confidence make our life cheerful, prosperous and full of enjoyment, which is most necessary for us. Today, it may be we are having the tremendous amount of money, but money cannot give me pleasure. Money cannot create the deep self-confidence. These habits, what we discussed above, can only create this deep self-confidence in our life, and we must do it in practical life. We must do it practice. Once more, I want to revise the things which we must do practically every day. Is that we must not depend on others for our any kind of work. We must spend some time before the statue of God. We must spend some time with old age people. We should not ignore the voice of smaller children. We should read motivational book or hear motivational speech. We should be updated with all the different kinds of news which happen all around us, either national and international. We should play outdoor games like cricket, football. If you are not in a state to play these games, we should take morning walk. We should share our view to our dears and nears. I think this is enough to develop our self-confidence. If you like this video, subscribe it by pressing the bell button, like it also, and if you are having desire to know something more and more on some other topics, comment me and send me the topics. I shall try my best to describe each and every point related to the topic selected by you, which make you beneficial mentally, and that video will reach you first. Thank you.